Did you know that Uber accidents in Miami have been happening at an alarming rate? With more rideshares on the roadway than ever, the risk of getting into an accident is much higher. Who's responsible, and how can you get the compensation you deserve? Stick around because we're breaking it all down today. Hi, I'm Kerry Woods, a personal injury attorney based in Miami. I've spent years fighting for the rights of those who've been injured in automobile accidents. I'm making this video so that you know the proper steps to take after being involved in an Uber accident. First, let's talk about why Uber accidents are on the rise. Back in 2020, there were over 2 million rideshare drivers in Florida alone. That's double the number from a few years ago. More cars, more drivers, more distraction means more accidents. And many of these accidents involve distracted drivers, tired drivers, and just reckless behavior. One of the most significant factors is driver fatigue. Many Uber drivers work long hours, sometimes working late into the night. This leads to slower reaction times and poor decision-making. Distraction is also another issue. Their focus is often split between their phone and the road. Then there's reckless driving. Things like speeding, tailgating, and even driving under the influence. These factors contribute to the growing number of Uber accidents in Miami. Now, here's where things get tricky. Florida is a no-fault insurance state. This means if you're in an accident, your personal injury protection insurance coverage is supposed to cover your medical bills, at least up to a certain amount. But when an Uber is involved, things get complicated. Depending upon the circumstances of the driver, various insurance policies could come in play. And let me tell you something, insurance companies are not eager to pay out. They will look for every possible loophole to deny your claim. That's why having an experienced Uber accident attorney on your side is crucial. If you've been involved in an Uber accident, here's what you should do immediately. First, report the accident. Call 911 and get a police report. This is critical evidence for your case. Second, document everything. Take photographs of the scene, your injuries, and the vehicles involved. Third, seek medical attention immediately, even if you think your injuries are minor. Some injuries don't show up till later on. And finally, contact a personal injury attorney as soon as possible. The sooner you have legal representation, the better your chances of getting the compensation you deserve. This is where I come in. With my experience both inside and out, I know how to build a strong case against negligent drivers and rideshare companies. I aim to ensure that you get the maximum compensation. My team and I are here to guide you every step of the way. If you or a loved one has been involved in an Uber accident, reach out for a free legal consultation. Let's discuss your case and determine the best course of action together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.